In this video, we'll write Verilog code for a circuit, compile it in ModelSim and Quartus, and finally see the synthesized circuit in Quartus RTL Viewer. Firstly, let's copy the path to our project. Then we will launch our Visual Studio Code. Click on Open Folder, paste in the path. All of our folders will appear here. To start writing HDL, click on this folder and then click New File. And let's call it my circuit. Since I am using Verilog, the extension will be .v. Since this series of video is more about the workflow, I won't waste your time watching me typing the code. So let's paste the code here. The module name is my circuit with two inputs, input IA and input IB. And the output is output C. And then we just assign the output C to be equal to IA XOR IB and module. Control S to save. After saving, we can compile the code in ModelSim and Quartus. Let's go to ModelSim. Make sure you selected the project tab. Right click, add to project, existing file, and browse to your project folder. Goes into HDL folder, and this is the file. This is the code that we want to add. Click open, click reference so that we don't copy it, and then click OK. As can be seen, our code has been imported into our project with the status a question mark. This means that we need to compile it first. Compile selected. As you can see below, it says compile of my circuit Verilog file was successful. We can also compile our code in Quartus. However, the process will be slower because it includes analysis and synthesis. Anyway, make sure you selected the Files tab, click on the Files, right click, and browse to your Verilog code, double click, and then make sure you don't click on the OK first. We need to click on Add. After adding, only then we click on OK. As you can see, the Verilog code has been added into our file list. To start analysis and synthesis, we can double click on this, or we can click on this button. But before that, make sure you right click and then set this as the top level entity. Only then you can start the analysis and synthesis. Alright, the analysis and synthesis was successful. After the analysis and synthesis, we can view the synthesized circuit by go to Choose, Netlist Viewers, and then click on RTL Viewer. And here is our synthesized circuit with two input IAIB and one output OC. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will see how to write test bench to test our circuit.